Just lining up her dog all the way from London, Ontario. We love the guys out there. We love the guys out west. We love the guys and girls. So she sets the toy. Now she's gonna wind up her dog if she can. She's gonna pull him way, way back. It's like a wind-up toy. This one. Pull him way back. Okay, he's out there. He's out there. Good job. Good job. That was Riley from London, Ontario, with a jump of. That was a jump of 10-6. Good job. Terry and Duncan Hamilton are up next. Terry and Duncan. We have to give this dog a victory lap, apparently. Riley needs a victory lap. Maybe throw the dog the toy, yeah. There's only one thing, you have to go in after him. If you go any more further down the ramp, you will be going in with him. Well, you know this dog has a bit of lab in it. He doesn't want to leave the water. There, ladies and gentlemen, is a true lab. Loves the water, doesn't want to get out, doesn't know when to quit. Almost there, now it's almost a game.
Get out of the water, Riley.
Well, maybe this time, folks. If not, we'll have to empty the pool. All right. Can we get this dog? We have to drain the pool. Can we get this dog out? Do we have to throw in the life ring or? All right, we look like we're good. That's okay. That's what you get for having a lab. It's all good.